Welcome to our tutorial on mastering kitchen techniques. In this video, we will delve into essential cooking skills, valuable kitchen tips, and efficient food preparation methods. Whether you're an aspiring chef, a cooking enthusiast, or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary abilities, this tutorial is tailored to empower you with the knowledge you need. Join us on this educational journey as we unlock the secrets behind mastering the art of cooking. Let's dive into the world of flavors and techniques that will enhance your kitchen expertise. From basic knife skills to advanced cooking methods, this tutorial covers a wide range of topics to ensure you develop a comprehensive understanding of culinary practices. Stay tuned as we share practical kitchen tips that can streamline your cooking process and make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. Mastering food preparation is key to creating delicious dishes. Learn the techniques that professional chefs use to achieve culinary perfection in every meal you prepare. Discover the art of flavor balancing and ingredient pairing to elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen with these expert techniques. As we progress through this tutorial, you will gain confidence in your cooking abilities and develop a deeper appreciation for the culinary arts. Stay focused as we demonstrate step-by-step instructions that will refine your kitchen skills and turn you into a proficient chef in no time. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and techniques needed to excel in the kitchen and unleash your full culinary potential. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. Prepare to elevate your cooking game with insider tips and tricks that will set you apart in the kitchen. Enhance your skills and impress with every dish you create. By mastering these kitchen techniques, you are not just cooking. You are crafting culinary experiences that delight the senses and bring joy to those you share your meals with. Join the ranks of skilled chefs and passionate cooks by honing your kitchen skills. Let your love for cooking shine through in every dish you prepare. As we conclude this tutorial, remember that mastering kitchen techniques is a journey of continuous learning and growth. Embrace the process and savor the flavors of your culinary creations. Thank you for joining us on this educational exploration of kitchen mastery. May your culinary adventures be filled with creativity, flavor, and endless inspiration. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to further enhance your kitchen skills and elevate your cooking experience. Until next time, happy cooking. Remember, the kitchen is your canvas, and with the right techniques, you can paint culinary masterpieces that leave a lasting impression. Let your passion for cooking shine bright. Thank you for watching. Start your journey to kitchen mastery today and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Happy cooking.